What's up guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So today we have the latest OnePlus 15R in the house. It's a media kit what OnePlus have sent. In this video we'll talk about all the box content, what you'll receive with your OnePlus 15R if you are making a purchase. I'll also provide you guys all the photos directly clicked from 15R. And about the pricing, you guys let us know in the comment section below according to you guys what should be the actual price of OnePlus 15R. But before moving ahead guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribe. The media kit is quite huge. In front you can see it says OnePlus 15R, power on, limits off. Again OnePlus focusing towards performance part. So soon you open the media kit, you'll be first welcome with the OnePlus 15R. Here we have the retail unit which you guys will get. So we'll talk later on about the retail unit. First let's see what's there inside the media kit. And here it says Rise as One. OnePlus 15R, OnePlus Pad Go 2, launch event and anniversary celebration. The launch is happening in the Bangalore on December 27. The timing is 7 PM. I'll put up these details on the screen. If you guys have OnePlus, you can use your OnePlus phone with the Mindspace application using which you can easily add the event to your calendar. So you don't miss out if you're planning to go. Then towards the bottom side also we have few things. So if I open it from here we have one cabin where you get a keychain which says Never Settle. Towards the back side it says designed by OnePlus. In that same keychain you also get a SIM rejector case along with a SIM rejecting tool. Then you have the Never Settle badge. After that we also have another compartment over here which includes these two magnetic cases. This is a pixel art phone case. You can easily customize the back with removable blocks. Or you can also call it as DIY brick phone case where you can build your own design using these tiny pegs. Then here we have the second case, which is again magnetic, but the texture present on this case gives vibe of OnePlus One. Similar back texture, exactly like OnePlus One. So these are the things what OnePlus have provided in the media kit. Now let's unbox the OnePlus 15R retail unit. So it's a similar box what we get to see with other OnePlus smartphones in that red color. Soon you open the box, first thing what you'll notice, some documents which includes quick guide and the warranty card. After that you have this case which is a rubber case. The one which we received in the media kit were harder case, not the rubber ones. Then you have your device itself. Beneath that you have a 80-watt charging brick. You don't get to see 100 watt or 120 watts. We have 80 watts. After that USB to Type-C charging cable and at last a SIM rejector tool. Now let's unwrap the phone and let me show you guys the first look at 15R. On OnePlus 15 particularly with this color which is the black one, also called as charcoal black. We'll be having another color called mint green, but the black color looks stunning. By the way, you'll be easily able to see some scratches, but those can be easily wiped off just by rubbing the back. Now let's turn it on. By the way, this device comes out of the box with OxygenOS 60. The camera module is slightly smaller this time with a different shade, kind of grayish. Talking about ports and buttons, so towards the right hand side you have the volume rockers plus a power key. Towards the bottom side you have speaker grill, USB Type-C charging, a mic and a SIM rejector tool. And towards the left hand side we have the plus key. The in-hand feel of this device is really solid. I've been using this device from past few days and I've never felt the device being heavy or uneven balanced. It's perfectly balanced and it doesn't even hurt your hands if you're watching content for longer hours, thanks to those soft corners all around the edges. Now talking about some of the confirmed specs, the device will have 165Hz display, the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, a massive battery of 7400 mAh and IP rating up to IP69K. And also about the video recording, OnePlus 15R will support 4K 120 FPS video recording using the rear camera. And now you guys can take a look at the photos which I clicked directly from OnePlus 15R. Currently we are not allowed to give any kind of verdict. You guys can check out yourself and let us know in the comment section below according to you guys how is the picture quality of OnePlus 15R. And I'll also try to upload all the photos in G Drive so that you guys can check out the original quality. And about the pricing guys, let us know in the comment section below according to you guys what should be the ideal pricing of OnePlus 15R. By the way, it's launching on December 17, so our in-depth review will be dropped that day. You guys can continue to watch the photos. I'll see you guys in the next video.